So now for some product application. I have on my ears to get my hair out of my face. So one side I'm going to do blend it out with my fingers so you can see how that looks. And the other side I'll be blending out with the sponge just so you can see the difference and the different ways that it can be applied. I'm going to start out with the contour. As I said, since I'm a much lighter skin tone than a lot of people, you just want to go in with a very small amount at first. Blend it out and then decide if you want to add more. Here it is, blending out with my finger. You can see it's blending out so quickly. And just like that, even some of my skin tone can get a really easy, fast contour and it doesn't look overdone. So for the other side, I'm going to use a beauty sponge just so you can see what that looks like. See, both sides, fast, easy. Depends on what kind of finish you want and just what you go for with your makeup. You can also use the contour on your nose, around the sides of your forehead, even on the chin a little bit. And just quickly blend. I just love how quickly this contour blends out. Because I do have fairer skin, I'm used to a lot of products kind of caking up and being very noticeable, but I love that these products really blend into my skin so easily. There, fast and easy, and we're contoured. Next I'll be showing the highlight. Here's the highlight again, just so you can see on camera, if you can tell what it looks like. So I like to add this just to the tops of my cheekbones, a little bit on the nose. You can also use this as a highlighter, even as kind of a lip. I'll do this, I'll show. On my lips, you just want to put a little in the middle to add a little bit more shine. They really can be used wherever you would prefer to use them. It's makeup, it's supposed to be fun, so you can use it wherever you'd like. This side I'm gonna blend out with my finger again. And see how quickly it blends into the skin. Same with the nose. And then on this side, we're gonna use the sponge again. I actually prefer my fingers, I feel like it blends out better. So here's the final look, sculpted and ready to go. And it honestly only took a few seconds to get a really good contour and highlight look. I hope this video was helpful for everyone. Thank you so much for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials on how to use the Ready Set Jet products. Thank you.